Are you in God's waiting room? Waiting, trusting, crying to God for a miracle. This song is for you. Duro Roju. Wait on the Lord. Listen prayerfully, thoughtfully, and be blessed and be refreshed. God bless you. Amen. Please don't be tired. Keep trusting Him. Psalm 62:11 says, God hath spoken once, twice I've heard it, that power belongeth unto God. Also unto thee, O Lord, belongeth mercy. Keep waiting and trusting on Him. Do not give up. You have worked, you have cried, you have prayed, you have waited thus far. Do not give up on God. Do not give up on yourself. Do not give up on life. God has great plan for you. Please keep waiting, because your miracle, your joy, your laughter, your hope comes alive. Your grace, all the waiting is going to make sense very soon, because you are at the edge of a breakthrough. The breakthrough is here. I can see, I know that God is ready to answer your prayers. Just one moment, just a little waiting, just a little time more. You will soon be there. I pray that God will give you all the strength that you need to wait. Wait on the Lord. Duro Roju.
They that wait upon the Lord, He shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary, and they shall walk and not faint. Àwọn tí wọ́n dúró de Olúwa, a ó tún agbára wọn ṣe. A ó fi ìyẹ́ gòkè bí idì. Wọ́n ó sáré kì yóò sì rẹ̀ wọ́n. Wọ́n ó rìn, àárẹ̀ kì yóò mú wọn. Dúró Roju, dúró má ṣe kú. Dúró Roju, dúró má ṣe kú. Dúró ṣàròjù, dúró má ṣe Wait upon the Lord.